to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, as you can see, my face is bare, and as you can read in the title below, we will be doing a get ready with me video because this has been long in my requests. Also, more than a request, but yeah, it's a perfect time right now because I have a dinner date. I'm inviting you to get ready with me, and at the same time, I will also be reacting to some of your assumptions about me. Disclaimer, I'm not a fan of makeup. I do not know how to use makeup. I don't really know brands of makeup. I know, what a shame, right? Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. So first, I put concealer, which I use this Innisfree. Charot, wait lang. How do you do this? It's almost hurot. Actually, it's really hurot. I feel like this is the only concealer that won't give me pimples. So I conceal my birthmark. This is a birthmark, by the way, guys. It's not a pimple mark. And then I put under my eyes. Yeah, that's all. I accept my imperfections, so yeah, just even it out. First assumption about me. Mahinhin. I'm really mahinhin. Don't you agree? The people closest to me really know that. Joke, guys. I'm not bitaw mahinhin. Like, when you get to know me or when I'm really comfortable with you, I get really saba. Then, I put powder I just got this from Maybelline. Actually, I think this is a refill and I didn't even mind putting it na lang because I don't really need mansad a mirror. So, I can live with this and it's really handy. Just powder. Let us not forget the neck. Next, I do my blush on. And I think this is a contour joke. I don't know bitaw, guys. But this is what I use as my blush on. Like that lang. Parang natural, you know? So let's react to another one. So many said, snob. Oh no. Then someone also said, maldita, haha. But geez, you're so friendly and sweet, the eye. Thanks, Katie. Most of the assumptions are kind of the same. About the mahinhin, someone also said, demure, ha 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 ha. Pero pagkatawa, ha ha ha, yabo. Joke lang ate din ko, bitaw, lingaw kuyog. Thank you, Lex. But yeah, like I said kanina, when I'm really comfortable now with a person, I'm really saba. Arte! Ha 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 ha. Uy, di jud ko arte. Bisag asa ko nimo idala, you know, my favorite food pagani is kanang mga street food because I was deprived of that when I was a kid because my mom wouldn't allow me to eat those. La Arnie also said mahinhin. Mahinhin jud na at first. Naana jud na. Yeah. Ate Soap also said hilubod. Hi Ate Soap. So, yeah, like I said, hilom jud ko at first, but when I get comfortable now with the people around me, wala, I don't stop talking na. Keisha Oy also said, sabaan, which is true. My LM Barkada said also, maldita, all caps with spaces. Di jud ko maldita, first impressions don't last. Also, Denmar, oy, die, Denmar. Maldita, daghan pa kay ex-cla. Excuse me. Magkilay sa likod. So for my kilay, I use this Etude gihapon. I still got this from Korea. I have a bugas on my kilay. Ouch. Just my face that's maldito. I don't see it. Like, butan man kog now. So I just leave it like that. Then I'll just spread it later. So I just spread. And I do that to remove. Alright. I have kilay. eyeshadow, which is still from Etude. My friend Chrissy told me to buy this and she taught me how to use it, so this is the only makeup I know how to use. Back when I still danced ballet, I knew how to do makeup. Like, I used to do my own makeup for stage makeup because we didn't have a choice because alangan sige magbayad og makeup artist, diba? And I'll just use it from lightest to darkest, so I'll use this pink. Kung magpalabi kayo, basin halin ko. Joke! Putting it here sa crest. Blend. And then, I curl my lashes. Ay, wait, mag-react sa ta. Buang Jude. Binuang mani uli. Someone said, love at first sight. Crazy. Admirer Jude din ako siya ever since. Joke. Someone also said, pretty. Thank you, Patty. So flattering because my student, Patty Espina, she's a model and she joins pageants but and she says I'm pretty. Oh, so flattering. Kikilig ito, magugwapo. Another student, Precious said, unfair ang kagwapa. Love jud ko ninyo eh. Zach Timako said, Regina George. Huh? Kagwapa ra ato. Another student said, Jan, fun and lively. Thank you. I have to be fun and lively because our class was so early in the morning. If magpada ko sa akong students na luya kaayo, klaro kay may mga breakfast, wala itulog, wadji ka padulngan. My sissy said, cool kid. Charot. Cool kid. Dijud ko cool kid. Uy, Jerson also said, I really thought maldita ka because you don't speak much. Who would have thought? That's true. Like I said, at first, I don't speak much. Sai said, unapproachable. Huhu, abi jud nako di ta magka-friends. Na scared ko nimo. I think was scared na jud of people because like I really have a tendency to stare and I'm not even aware that I am already staring. But you know, guys, I really like making friends. Even my students, I treat them like as my friends and not really as my students. But that doesn't affect their grades. So Mapao also said, pretty hard to approach because you and your barkada seemed so out of reach. I think, Jod, it's just our faces. Like, mga bitch manggod akong mga friends. Mga bitch ug face ba? I don't know. I didn't even know how to do kilay back in high school. Like, I only started to do my kilay second year college. Imagine, ka-late na ko in life. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot noon. I'm using this Maybelline gihapon for my lashes. Baka naman, Maybelline, sponsored. So yeah, I'm almost done, guys. So let's react more. Maldita, high maintenance as like I said at the subs, I'm not high maintenance. You really get to know me. I'm probably the most tihik person you'll know. I'm not high maintenance at all. Ada said, don't have one, but miss you. Ingat always. Regards to meeting. Miss you too, Chavs. Federico Gargi said, elite runner. Wow. Again, guys, I do not run because my legs are either too weak for running or I'm just too lazy for running. I really don't get where my parents' genes went. Like, only child ko, sila duha runners, but me, nada. Andy said I'm a snob. Sorry. Maybe I'm a snob because sometimes like I'm not wearing my glasses or sometimes like when I wear my contacts grade is just 400 and my actual grade is 470 something. So sometimes it's really blurry and I tend to not agad people maybe because I really can't see. My cousin, Kuya Miko said, buang, I still haven't been proven wrong though, and that's fine. Enough said, I won't even defend myself. Oh, Crazy also said I'm a snob. Again, Crazy, I think I was a snob because I was also shy. Okay, aside from the fact that I can see properly, sometimes my shyness consumes me that I feel like, oy, dili ko feel sa person. Oh my god, what will I say or like something. So, the first time when we were classmates, Chris, you don't really talk to me. But now we're really close. Like, if we kita each other, magsigramig hug and like cling, and then yeah, I miss you, Chris. So, living proof that first impressions don't last, guys. A student also said his first impression was nice. This will end the week on a high note. Oh, thanks, Clint. I hope you're doing fine there. Then my best friend, Tri-Marie, said, Judger. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, wala ko nag-makeup. Sorry. Last, to finish the look, lipstick. Hinatag gani, guys. Let's finish this, then I'll curl my hair, then I'll go back for the finished look. Lamon, Judger. Judger ko Judger. In fact, I am probably one of the most understanding people you'll ever meet. I'll really try my best to understand where he or she is coming from. So yeah, I barely judge. You know, unless akong kuyog Judger pod, then you tend to adapt. So, Judger thing like a big begin. A Judger said ko. Alexis Mendoza, also my best friend, said, I don't remember, tall. Ha ha ha. Oh my god. I don't even remember the first time we met because we were still, 3 years old? Our first impression was just like, oh, I wanna play with her. Then Jareel, my barkada, also said, you know this story by heart already. You were scary and then I cried. I was scary for a different reason. Not because of this face, but because my face was made up like a mumu. It was our ballet Halloween party. And then my mom dressed me up like a mumu. So she really made my face really white and then with black kuan pa here. When Jareel saw me, we were like 3 years old back then. She ran out and cried. Well, ever since then, wala. Di na ko malimtan ni Jareel because I was a mumu in her life. I was a ghost. But never ko naka-ghost. I'll just fix my hair, then I'll be back for my final look. See ya! And I'm back! And this is my final look. So what you think? So this is probably the only makeup that I know how to do. And ang panglaban lang dyan ako always is my lipstick and my kilay. So yeah, simple makeup for a simple girl like me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So till my next video, guys, spread love, God bless, take care, and thank you for watching.